Welcome to the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one course for beginners. In this course, you will learn the complete design to export workflow using Fusion 360, starting from scratch and progressing all the way to final production-ready models. We will begin with basics. You will explore the user interface, learn how to set up new design files, configure units, and organize your workspace for an efficient design process. You will then master 2D sketching, creating precise geometry, applying dimensions, and using constraints to make fully defined sketches. Then dive into 3D modeling with tools like extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, rip, emboss, shell, and more, turning sketches into detailed functional components. From simple mechanical parts to complex product designs, you will build real practical models every step of the way. Every concept is taught using real world design examples, not just theory. After each major section, you will complete hands on exercise to refine your skills and boost your confidence. You will go beyond basics and explore advanced modeling techniques such as standard, custom holes, thread, helical and spiral coils, 3D sketch, draft, fillet, chamfers, and more. You will also learn modified geometry using tools like press pull, offset face, split body, and combine, enabling you to make design changes efficiently. You will also learn how to create and manage assemblies, both bottom up and top down, and apply joints and motion links to stimulate the movement of your mechanisms. As a part of real world engineering workflows, you will also learn how to assign material properties to your parts and assemblies, and how to calculate mass, volume, and center of gravity directly within Fusion 360. Next, we will explore rendering and animation, teaching you how to apply appearance, create exploded views, and product animations. Stimulate the motion between the component of the assembly and present your designs professionally. Finally, you will create 2D technical drawings, add dimension, annotation, and generate a complete bill of materials ready for manufacturing or client presentation. You will also learn how to export your designs in multiple formats, whether it's STL for 3D printing, STEP for sharing, or PDF or DXF for production drawings. And once you have completed the course, you will receive a certificate of completion, a great addition to your portfolio or resume to showcase your skills in Fusion 360. This course is designed for students, engineers, designers, and hobbyists with no prior experience required. Just install Fusion 360 and start learning at your own pace with clear structured lessons. Whether you're aiming to design professional products, build your CAD portfolio, or simply learn a new skill, this is the only Fusion 360 course you need. Enroll now and start creating with confidence.